Have you ever received an email that looked completely normal, but something about it just felt wrong? Maybe it contained a suspicious link, an unexpected attachment, or a message asking you to verify your Gmail account. These emails can be the part of an attempt to compromise your information. In today's video, I'm going to explain how Gmail injection attacks work, what attackers are actually trying to achieve, and what you can do to keep your Gmail account safe. So, what exactly is a Gmail injection attack? It isn't a single officially denied Gmail attack technique. The term is sometimes used online to describe different types of attacks involving malicious or manipulated email content. In real world situations, many of these attacks are actually related to phishing, social engineering, malicious links, account takeover attempts, or exploitation of the software vulnerabilities. The attacker usually isn't simply breaking into Gmail by sending you an email. Instead, they're trying to use the email as a way to trick you, redirect you, or get you to reveal sensitive information. Imagine you receive an email saying suspicious activity has been detected on your Google account, verify your account immediately. This message may contain Google's logo, professional looking formatting, and a button that says verify account. At first glance, it may look legitimate, but when you click the button, it could be redirected to a fake website designed to look like Google's sign-in page. The attackers want you to enter your email address and password, and if you do that, information can potentially be captured by the attacker. This is why these attacks can be dangerous, even when the attacker does not directly compromise the Google system. So why do these emails look so real? Attackers know that people are more likely to trust something that looks familiar. They may copy company logos, email layouts, fonts and colors, security warning messages, login pages, password reset notifications, and they may also impersonate services you already use. The goal is to make the message look convincing enough that you don't stop to question it. One of the biggest weapons attackers use is social engineering. Instead of relying entirely on technical exploits, they manipulate human behavior. For example, an attacker might create a fear by saying your account will be locked in 24 hours, or they might create curiosity by saying someone has sent you an important document, and the idea is to get you to act quickly without carefully checking the message. That's why slowing down is one of the simplest security measures that you can take. What happens if you click a suspicious link? Well, clicking a suspicious link does not automatically mean that your Gmail account has been hacked. However, depending on where the link leads, you could be exposed to phishing pages, malicious download, or another type of scam. That's why you should avoid entering passwords or other sensitive information into a website simply because an email directed you there. If you're concerned about your Google account, open your browser yourself and navigate to the account directly. And there are several warning signs that you should look for. Be suspicious of messages demanding immediate action, like phrases such as act now, your account will be deleted, or you have only 10 minutes to verify your account. And be cautious when receiving files you weren't expecting. And never share your Google authentication or verification codes with someone who contacts you unexpectedly. And always use your unique password for your Gmail account. This prevents a password leaked from another website from being reused against your Gmail account. And also don't forget to enable two-step verification. Two-step verification adds another layer of protection to your Google account. Even if your password is compromised, an attacker may still need the additional authentication method. If your Google account offers passkeys and they're suitable for you, they can provide strong protection against many traditional phishing attempts. And also keep your device updated. Keep your phone, computer, browser, and applications updated. And updates often include important security fixes and review your account security as well. Regularly check your Google account for unfamiliar devices and recent security activity as well. If you notice something you don't recognize, investigate it immediately. And your Gmail password should not also be your password for social media, shopping websites, gaming accounts, and other services. Using unique passwords limits the damage if another service is compromised. So if you accidentally entered your Gmail password into a suspicious website, you need to act quickly. Change your Google account password using the official Google website and then review your account security activity and signed in devices. Make sure that your recovery email and phone number haven't been changed. And if you downloaded a suspicious file, consider scanning your device with reputable security software. Gmail attacks aren't always about sophisticated hackers breaking directly into the Google system. Very often, attackers try to exploit something much simpler. So remember the basic rules: not to trust unexpected links, not opening any suspicious attachment, and never sharing your passwords or verification codes. Always use a strong, unique password, and most importantly, enable two-step verification or another strong sign-in method on your Google account. Taking a few extra seconds to verify an email can prevent much bigger security problem later. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.